bro. Talkie sucks. Talkie sucks. I want stick notes. I accidentally clicked stop. Don't mind the talkie thing. Is this the music? Go. Oh, there's no demos. KO'd. Perfect. V got KO'd. I don't know why V got KO'd. It is lava. Wait, what if I try to kill Blue? What if I try to kill JK too? I can't kill him. He's always a winner. Let me switch up these things. I don't have a red joystick. This is blue. So JK can always win. Yeah. What? Two blue? Dude, stick those. You have a problem with your game. Okay, ignore that. Fight for your life. Fight for your life, V. Let's pretend JK is the blues. Let's pretend that never happened and V was always green. Greenlicious. I'm gonna kill you, Purple. I'm gonna kill you, Purple. Help! That makes it even funnier when we get this. Help. Ow. Please, 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 I am alive at Family Blue. Bada boom, bada bop. No, I can't. Like your cut G. Wait, I didn't level up. Oh. Bye. Recording punching sounds, picture sounds, Please stop it! I know that's not me from the world, it's literally, can't make it. Now, we'll go back to the KOs. KO! KO! Ow! Purple killed himself. I'm sorry for this, aside. Ow. Yay! I'm winning. I'm right behind you, Purple. You're gonna kill yourself. Okay, let's turn up the audio. Wait a second. Oh. Okay. This is a like 2022 version of Supreme Duelist Stickman. I'm going to play this Supreme Stickman game. In 2022. It's 2025 right now. As you can see, it's March. Yeah, let's just do it. No, the gang. I guess I'll just have KJ by my way. By my way. Why are our potions green? No, my card is pink. And KJ's potion is green. Yeah, I know KJ starts helping, but why is his potion fucking green and my card is pink? I gotta take a little break.